What up, everybody? Okay, so this is a video showing you the secret of art. Okay, the secret of art. With this simple trick, you will dominate art. Okay, you will win art. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take Santa over here. Okay, we're gonna put some clothes on him. We can't leave him naked, people. We cannot leave him naked. I'm gonna choose something really cool. Let's see what we do with Santa. And bam, we put Santa in an assassin's or whatever the hell they're called, exosuit. Okay, look at that belly. That's a beautiful belly. Now, what we want to do, kids, what we want to do is do hand animation. Remember, mocap, bad. Hand animation, most accurate animation in the world, if you know what you're doing. So I'm going to go ahead and take this arm here. I'm going to key it. All right, we got to key this arm. And once we've done that, we can move this slider just like that. That's another trick. That's another trick nobody tells you about. You can move the sliders. Right, I'm going to move this arm like this. Yo, in like a posing thing, right? And now check this out. Check this out. Boom, boom. That is insane. Go back to 0. Take that other arm. Take the other arm. Click on the button. The button. Take that to 10 as well. And what we're going to do is we're going to lift this arm, okay? Come on, lift. Damn, at least these are the most amazing animation tools in the world, and we get that, okay? Now, to make it a little bit more realistic, people, to make it a little bit more realistic, we are going to put a key on the neck, okay? We're going to move it over here, and I'm going to move this head like that. Damn, that is insane. That is insane. Now, we're going to go back. We're not stopping there, people. We're not stopping there. We're going to take the waist. We're going to do this. We're going to do that. We're going to take it back to 10. Now, what are we creating? We are creating something so realistic that God help us all. All right? We're going to move this back like this. Okay, it animated for us there. We didn't have to do nothing right there. Go back, take the legs, key those things. Sometimes animation just takes over you. If you're that good, animation does itself, okay? So I've taken both legs, I've keyed them. I'm going to 10 here, and I'm going to do what others could never do. I'm going to move the leg like that, okay? I'm going to take this one, and I'm going to move it like that. Bam. Okay, so we get something like that. That is crazy animation skills. And so we get that whole thing, right? Now, what I can't do, if I hit play here, perfect, okay? Perfect. But I do not want to render because it takes too long. And here is the secret. We're going to go up here to this little button and click show floor. There we go. Now we got no floor. Now check this out, people. Check this out. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take this character, right? And I'm just going to record it straight from OBS, right? I'm going to record it. Click play. Boom. Do it again. Stop it there. Take it back, okay? And just get another one in case. No rendering involved. Quick and easy. Boom. Okay? We've got that footage, people. We've got it. So, what are we going to do with that footage? We're going to take it into another program. Right, so what I've done here is I've taken that footage that I just recorded from OBS. I've got it here, kind of like conception or interception or something like that. All right, now, there's my animation, right? There we go. So, I'm going to take it from there. Perfect animation. Let's see if we get a little bit of a better one. And I'm going to cut it right there, right? So basically what we get, people, is flawless animation. Whoa, I hear my voice. Boom. Okay, so we've got that. And what I got to do now, is I'm going to take this just like that, and I'm going to key it. People, let's get a background first, right? Right, so we need a background, right? What better way to do is use AI. We're going to use some AI for this now. Everybody says prompt with details. They're lying, people. They don't want you to understand that if you just write background and you prompt it, all right, you prompt it, and you say make 5 images, let's see what happens here. Now, I don't know about you, but these are the most perfectly accurate results I've ever seen in my life. What I've got to do is I'm going to download this one, right? Closest to what we're looking for, right? We don't want interstellar dimensions because we don't want to kill people online, okay? Too much power kills, okay? Right, let's get that download. Right, once you've downloaded it, you're going to put into After Effects, you're going to put it behind, but you don't see anything, people. You don't see anything. Why? Because this is in front. This layer's in front. What we're going to do is kit, okay? We're going to use something like key cleaner, whatever, and we're going to click on the black. That does nothing. As you can clearly see, it does nothing, okay? It doesn't work with black. There's another trick. Don't use it, okay? Let's try something else. Let's try linear color. Oh, I don't know. Is there too much power to this? Bam. We've got it. Perfect key. Perfect key. And why we use the black background is because we wanted that ghost effect. Now, I'm going to mask out everything else, all this other crap around it, so we just get the character. Now we're dealing with power. Now, I'm just going to stretch this. Oh, I messed up, mate. I nearly ended us all, just like that. I'm going to stretch this background. I'm going to take this character. I'm going to put him over there. Now, I want all of this stuff to be in front of him, right? How do we do that? How do we do that? Well, easy. We're just going to cut this out. Be very delicate, just like I'm showing you here. Be delicate. And we've got it, all right? I'm going to duplicate the background. Duplicate it. I'm going to take the mask of the other one and I'm going to invert it. Boom. Right? And I'm going to put this one on top of that one, put this one in the middle of that one, and bam. Look what we have. This is insane, people. This is insane. Bam. Perfect. Perfect. Right. What do we need now? We need explosion. I've dragged in some explosions, and what we're going to do is we're going to bring those explosions right in the middle, right there. Right in the middle. So we've got all of these things happening at once. Boom. All right. Insane. Insane. So what I'm going to do here, mate, what I've got to do here is I'm going to, you know what? We're not even going to key them. We're not even going to key them. Why? Because we're amazing. That's why. We're just going to screen them. Boom. Got everything that we need. Going to make these explosions a little bit bigger so they fit better. Bam. Okay. Right there. And now, if we hit play, perfect, perfect. Now, why did we do that animation of the character? Why did we do it? If we're just going to leave it like this, it wouldn't be very professional, would it? As it goes. So here he is, here he is. We're gonna take a frame. We're gonna just take a frame. I'm gonna duplicate this layer, okay? I'm gonna duplicate the character layer. I'm gonna put it on him there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to say time, freeze frame. So now I've got a freeze frame of this character, which I can do forever, mate, forever. As it explodes, I'm going to take it around right there, and look what happens now. Boom. Okay, there we go. So I didn't even need that freeze frame. Didn't need it. Didn't need it. That's the power of this, people. That is the power of this thing. It's just ridiculous. Oh, you can see where I'm going with this. You can see where I'm going with this. This is insane. This is insane. I'm going to take the transform now. Check this out. This is where just off the scale kind of things. And rotate. Click all of them. And as he lifts off the ground, check this out, kids. Check this out. This is insane. Move it. We're going to land him there. Now check this out. Check this out. Go halfway. Bring him up. Oh, wow. So you kind of get this now. Boom. Insane. Insane. Not too realistic. I get it. I get it. And that's because you just need to speed it up a bit. That's it. You just need to speed it up a bit. That's it. And then you've got absolute realism. Here we go. Here we go. Bam. Okay? Perfect realism. Now, I'm not going to go further than that because we don't want to kill people. Okay? Too much realism makes people's brains get wired. We can't do that. We can't have that. So, last thing we need to add, people. Last thing we need to add is this blood. This blood. And what this does is this just takes it into a new level. We're going to place them where we need to, right there. And bam. Okay? That's it. That's it. Now, I don't want to do too much more because, like I said, too much power, way too much responsibility. Keep everything clean, clean. Everything should be clean. And here's the shot. My God, what have we done? We've done it. There we go. So, a massive thank you to every... Wait a minute! Wait a minute. What we haven't done is we haven't screened the blood. Sweet Lord, this shot was nearly fake. It was nearly fake. There we go. We've screened the blood. And now we get a bit of solution. Bam, 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 boom. Probably not screen. Nearly messed that up. Let's multiply the blood. Okay. There we go. There we go. There we go. Insane. Insane shot. You can do this right out of the thing. The one thing that doesn't look a little bit realistic, okay, I get it. The one thing is his color grading. All you've got to do, if you think to yourself, it's not that accurate, mate, it could be a little bit clearer, just go ahead into color correction and go into something like exposure. Okay? Easy. And then what you can do is you can just set it up so he fits in absolutely perfectly. Okay? Just like that. Just like that. You know, and you can see everything's kind of pink and orange. He's blue. It's not that cool. So all you got to do, once again, go into color correction, go into your hues. Let's take the hues, okay? Hues. Let's push it on colorize, and that's it, man. Change the color to a red, just like that. Bump up the color. So now you've got those same kind of oranges going on there. You can bump it up or bump it down a little bit. It's fine. It's fine. Now you can see he fits perfectly into the scene. Absolutely perfectly into the scene. And that's our shot, people. Absolutely flawless. Boom. Bam. And that's it. That is exactly how they do it in Hollywood. Your Marvel movies, thank you very much, mate. Just did in about 5 minutes. Exact same quality, maybe a bit better. I've got that grit to it that they don't get. So, you know, you decide whose is better. All right, mate? Leave me out of this. Okay. Anyway, people, thank you so much for an incredible 2,000 people is insane. I honestly never expected 2,000. I mean, like, once again, man, I started this to help one or two people. I don't monetize this thing. Not yet. The merch is coming out soon, people. The merch is coming out soon. Ari, come here. I'm just kidding. But yeah, man, started this for like one or two people. And 2,000. Now, 2,000 is absolutely nothing. We get it. We get it, Ari. We get it. We got it, Ari. But Ari, it's amazing. It's amazing to see how this grew just so kind of quickly. It only took about 20 years. So in another 20 years, we could be looking at like 4K. Let's not overdo this. Let's not push it. But thanks a lot, man. You know who you are. Like, a lot of you guys are like, guys and girls are regulars, and it's amazing to see. Kind of know a lot of you now, and it's awesome. It's been awesome to getting to know a little bit of you guys, and hopefully all these keep, you know, carry on helping. I honestly and sincerely thank you, man. It's been wicked, and hopefully we just keep on doing them. Yeah, I mean, it's nice to share information. It's nice to get the younger generations, the older generations, whatever it is, just better than us, than what we used to be, or better than what we are. And if we can help in that, it's amazing. It's amazing. You know, you always get your one or two people. What is this fit, mate? You know, don't do it, man. You know, you don't belong here, and that's all right. Go on. Keep walking. Ari, show him to the door, mate. But for the rest of you, man, thanks so much. This has been amazing, and I wish you guys an incredible weekend. And let's carry on doing it. Thank you, and give your feedback. Let me know what I'm doing right, wrong. There's a lot of things I'm finding my feet with still, but hopefully, man, next year is a cool year for us. And once again, thanks. I hope you all good. Stay good, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye, guys.